Want to earn $100 a day online without a product, without showing your face, and without spending money? It's possible. Thousands of people do it daily using affiliate marketing. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's simple. You promote someone else's product using a unique link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, sometimes $10, sometimes $100 or more. There's no shipping, no customer service, and no overhead costs involved. Now, let's talk about the fastest method to get started, which is low effort but high reward. Begin by choosing a high payout niche. Think digital products, software tools, or recurring subscriptions. For instance, AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, website builders like System.io, or digital courses from platforms like Gumroad or Udemy can pay you 30 to 60% commission per sale. That's a significant return for minimal effort. Once you have your niche, the next step is where to post your affiliate links to drive traffic quickly. Reddit is a great platform. You can post in niche communities while providing honest value. YouTube Shorts are also effective. Review a tool and include your affiliate link. Pinterest allows you to create pin images that link directly to your affiliate page. And don't overlook TikTok or Instagram Reels. A quick 30-second tip can lead viewers to your link. The key here is that you don't need a massive following, just be consistent. To scale your efforts, consider these pro tips. Use free tools like Canva to create eye-catching visuals that grab attention. Write compelling hooks with ChatGPT to make your content stand out. Offering a mini freebie like a PDF checklist can significantly boost your clicks. This strategy builds trust and enhances conversion rates, especially with digital products. If you stay consistent, you can hit your first $100 day faster than you think. Affiliate marketing works, just don't overcomplicate it.